This is the story of how I turned from being a die-hard PC fanboy to the biggest Apple fanboy on the internet. Back in 2009, I was a massive Microsoft fan. I was totally in the ecosystem. I used Hotmail, had a Windows mobile phone, defended Windows Vista, and even used the recently launched Microsoft Bing. So I was very excited to receive delivery of my brand new Dell Studio XPS 16 laptop, which cost over $3,000 at the time. I mean, how could you not like it? It had a beautiful 1080p screen, a super fast i7 processor, AMD graphics, but most of all, it was absolutely beautiful. It even featured a strip of leather on the lid, which is what really got me into the computer. But after waiting months for it to arrive, unfortunately, it did have some major issues. Not only did it have only 1 hour of battery life, but it got ridiculously hot so that all the trim pieces actually melted off. And when exporting videos, I would literally have to put the laptop on its lid and have a fan directed at the vent on the bottom so that it wouldn't turn off from the heat. And to make things even worse, the screen failed and needed replacement not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 11 times. Let's just say that I got to know the Dell repairman very well. Eventually, even Dell got sick of it and replaced it with this, the XPS 15. And I'm sorry, but the only reason why I bought the XPS 16 was for its stunning looks. And this is the ugliest laptop ever, especially with this extended battery that you could fit literally an entire MacBook Air underneath. It was at that point I just went and bought a MacBook Pro, and I couldn't have been happier ever since.